What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we're talking about Ethereum Classic. How low can it go in the bear market? What are our bear market strategy? Are we going to be buying more? Are we going to be selling our Ethereum Classic? We'll be talking about Ethereum Classic against the US dollar. We'll be looking at Ethereum Classic from 2016 till 2022. How has Ethereum Classic behaved in the previous bear market? How low can Ethereum Classic go in this bear market? We'll also be looking at the Ethereum Classic Bitcoin price chart, looking at Ethereum Classic against Ethereum, and then we'll take a look at the Ethereum Classic market cap chart. Guys, we're talking about that and more in this video. But first, if you're new to this channel and you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, you can get one Ethereum Classic for $13.75. In the last 1 year, it has gone as high as $77 and as low as $12.6. The crypto market is experiencing a huge sell-off. Altcoins are dumping. Bitcoin is dumping too. And so the whole market is dumping really hard. Ethereum Classic has dumped 66% in the last 1 year. It's down 34% in the last 1 month, and it's down 21% in the last 1 week at the point of recording of this video. When will the bear markets end? Right now, we're deep in Goblin Town. Every day we wake up to new levels of dump. Ethereum Classic market cap now is at $1.8 billion. It has a fully entire market cap of $2.8 billion, and only 64% of the maximum supply is circulating, and that's 135 million coins. Guys, let's take a look at the Ethereum Classic US dollar price chart. This Ethereum Classic from 2016 till 2022 on a weekly time frame. So each bar here represents 1 week for Ethereum Classic. Now, the Ethereum Classic get to the full extension expected it to get to, use the Fibonacci extension to for Ethereum Classic from the top of the market in December 2017 to the bottom of the market. You can see that, guys, Ethereum Classic got as high as 3.618 level of Fibonacci extension. So Ethereum Classic got as high as 158. On some exchanges, it actually got to as high as 186. So Ethereum Classic went on its full bull run. Right now, Ethereum Classic is deep in the bear market, and let's see what Ethereum Classic has done previously. And the previous bull run for Ethereum Classic, it went up over 6,200%. Mad gains. And during the bear market, Ethereum Classic, just like the rest of the crypto market, tanked very hard. Ethereum Classic first dropped 81% and then dropped another. In total, Ethereum Classic in total dropped 93% from the all-time highs. Crazy. It went from as high as $47 to as low as $3.3, and that was bottom for Ethereum Classic. It came back twice to test that level. Right now we're heading towards that level, but we're still at $13. But from that bottom at $3.3 in 2018, Ethereum Classic came back, tested there in 2019 during the COVID sell-off, tested there again, and that held. So we have tested this level 4 times. The first time Ethereum Classic was launched, it pumped to that level, got rejected, and when we were dumping again, we bounce off that level, we bounce off that level, bounce off that level. So this is a critical level for Ethereum Classic. We'll be coming back to this level very, very quickly. What happened to Ethereum Classic during the bull run? From this 3.3 level, Ethereum Classic actually pumped over 4,700%. On some exchanges, it got to as high as $190 on Binance. Anytime the rest of the crypto market is dumping, it means Ethereum Classic is also dumping, because from the top that we set on the 3rd of May 2021, Ethereum Classic is down 92%. Crazy if you think about it, guys. Ethereum down 92%. In the previous bear market, how low did it go? It went down 92%. So should we be getting some Ethereum Classic? Only time will tell, guys. We want Bitcoin to show us the way, and you want to be careful with these altcoins. You can see what Ethereum Classic did in the previous bear market. It found its bottom, Bitcoin found its bottom, then Bitcoin pumped. Ethereum Classic also pumped, but Ethereum Classic didn't pump as hard as Bitcoin. Bitcoin actually pumped around 200-300%. You can see that Ethereum Classic only pumped 180%. The Ethereum Classic dumped again, and I think that might be what is happening right now. But Ethereum Classic is at a very, very critical point. You can see that here is the correct support. We were actually rejected off here when we pumped before the COVID sell-off, and before we went to the final leg of the bull run, it was around where we consolidated again. So this is another important level for Ethereum Classic. Will it break or will it hold? We want this level to hold. If not, we might get to as low as $7, and if $7 doesn't hold, we might go as low as $3. Guys, I'm just showing you the worst case scenario. This might not, all this price target might not get hit. Right now we have gotten to $13. Any dump we have right now, taking us to that $7-8 region. You don't want to see that, but we've not gotten to the bottom of Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin has got way below its 2017 all-time high. One Bitcoin is going for $18,000, and Bitcoin actually directs. Bitcoin shows the general crypto market the direction where we are going, and Bitcoin says we are going down right now. Guess what we're doing? We're going down. You can see a lot of the coins in the market are down. How is Ethereum Classic performing against Bitcoin? It's holding up well against Bitcoin, funny enough. Guys, this is Ethereum Classic Bitcoin price chart. Ethereum Classic is holding very, very well against Bitcoin. Ethereum Classic is not actually dumping as hard as Bitcoin is dumping. You can see that Ethereum Classic basically lose values against Bitcoin most of the time. But when the market is pumping, it outperforms Bitcoin. When it was launched here in 2016, Ethereum Classic lost over 83% of its value against Bitcoin. Then when the whole market was pumping, all coins were going crazy. Ethereum Classic outperformed Bitcoin by 880%. From then in 2017, it kept dumping until it found its bottom when the altcoins were ready to go crazy again. It found its bottom in January 2021 after it had dumped over 98%. And along the way, there were some pumps. It first dumped 94% and people thought that was the bottom. And then there was a pump here, a 182% pump. And then it dumps again another, how many percent? It dumped another 87%. That's why you want to be careful. You want to be very, very careful. All coins, yes, they can gain value against Bitcoin, but that's when the market's in a good mood. When the market's in a bad mood, generally they just lose value against Bitcoin. On the corresponding bull run for Ethereum Classic, it went up in just less than 60 days, over 1,200% against Bitcoin. For context sake, guys, if you invested $1,000 worth of Bitcoin at the bottom here, you could have bought $12,000 worth of Bitcoin at the top here with Ethereum Classic. Crazy gains, but now it's losing value against Bitcoin again. And you can see that even this period of time, there are times where it will pump against Bitcoin, but the general trend is still downwards. And I think that's what's happening right here. We might see some pumps of Ethereum Classic against Bitcoin, so it might gain value against Bitcoin for the time being. But when Bitcoin is done dumping, and the altcoins will actually go on their own brutal dump, because a lot of people will now start flipping to Bitcoin. How is Ethereum Classic performing against Ethereum? It has been losing value since 2016 against Ethereum. This is one of the most brutal charts. It has been bleeding against Ethereum. It actually bled over 98% till it found its bottom in February 2021, just like the Bitcoin pairing before it went on that crazy run. On the Ethereum pairing, it pumped over 877%. Right now, it's still dumping, or it's in the low, even though on the smaller time frame, it's pumping against Ethereum. Ethereum and Bitcoin are dumping harder in this dump. It looks like institutional investors are clearing all their portfolio. They're dumping their Bitcoin and Ethereum. And altcoins, most of the altcoins, most retail investors are already out the market. Ethereum Classic from the top on its Ethereum pairing is down 80%. Right now, it's pumping. If you got Ethereum Classic here on the 11th of May 2022, when the Terra Luna situation happened, you would have been up 55% against Ethereum. So since that time, Ethereum Classic has not dumped as hard as Ethereum. The Ethereum Classic market cap chart is a very, very important chart we need to see. It's showing us the valuation of Ethereum Classic. How high can it go? You can see that on the Ethereum Classic market cap chart, it got to its full extension from the top of the previous bull market to the bottom of the bear market. Top of the previous bull market for Ethereum Classic was $4.5 billion. The bottom of the market was at $360 million. You see what happened? The Ethereum Classic went its full extension. It got to the height, and the height for it was $18 billion. Right now, Ethereum Classic is trading at $1.8 billion market cap, and for it to get to its all-time high again, it has to pump around 901%. Is that possible? Yes, but we have to enjoy the bear market. We have to find the bottom first. I've showed you guys how altcoins can actually dump 92-93% during the bear market, even though they recover all those gains in the corresponding bull run. And we have to find where to get the bottom first, because guys, that is where the real profits are made. Think about it. All the guys about Ethereum Classic at the bottom right here, all the guys that scooped on Ethereum Classic when the market was bottoming here and here and here are the guys that probably sold here, because they are the guys that were in huge profit. Even if you get some Ethereum Classic right now, you are still up over 277% on your initial investment. Now we're entering this zone for Ethereum Classic that's proven to be a very, very good zone to actually accumulate Ethereum Classic. That's the zone where we're entering. You can see that since 2017, this has been a very, very interesting zone, and this was the accumulation zone in 2019 and 2020. Are we going to get into this accumulation zone, or are we even going to break lower? Only time will tell right now, guys. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, what do you think? This Ethereum Classic going to blow to the moon, or do you think we're going to Goblin Town? Which prices are you going to be getting some Ethereum Classic? Are you going to be holding your Ethereum Classic through the bear market? Are you going to be selling the one you have right now before it goes lower? Or Are you going to be buying more? I want to hear your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.